Alright, so this is the Anker Powercore Plus 26800 battery bank, and I'm trying to take it apart right now, but basically the top piece comes off right here, and then you have 4 screws that I'm gonna remove right now, so let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so I took off the 4 screws on the top, and then there was a cover, this part, and you can take that off once you take off the screws, and then you're left with this right there. And then I couldn't get it out, so I decided to take off the back, and I found 4 more screws, and I think you can also take off this cover as well. So I'm trying to do that right now, but so far it's put together really nicely, so I'm gonna try to remove this cover and take it out. So I accidentally ended the last clip kind of short, but basically I didn't have to take off this back piece. All I did was basically pull on it a little bit, and then now it's coming out. So it looks like there's gonna be like 8 cells in there. The power button came out. Yep. So there it is. Get some close-ups. This is their cushion, so it doesn't wobble as much inside, and also to suppress vibrations. Let me see what type of cells they are. Made in Japan. And I can't see the other side because it has this plate on it, but yeah. I'll try to remove this thing right here. Alright, so there's not much underneath. I'll remove the plastic casing to show you guys the other side, so give me a second for that. Alright, so there were 4 more screws. One right here, here, and then here and here. And once you take that off, the back cover basically comes off. And now you can see all of the cells. Let's see what this says. 26,800 milliamps. There. And then you have your power meter here. Really nice setup here, so yeah. I'll have some high resolution pictures in the description, but this is basically the disassembly of Anker's Powercore Plus 26800 battery bank. So yeah, thanks for watching.